Unlock the meaning, be bashful. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning behind the phrase, be bashful. This phrase can add a wonderful layer of nuance to your English communication, and I'm excited to help you understand and use it effectively. So, let's dive into the bashful depths of the English language together. When someone says, be bashful, they are describing a person who is feeling shy or overly modest. Bashfulness is a trait that can make a person appear hesitant to speak up or draw attention to themselves. It often involves a sense of modesty or embarrassment, especially in social situations. But being bashful isn't always negative. It can sometimes be seen as endearing or respectful. The term, bashful, has its roots in Middle English, and it's akin to being shy or modest. Originally, it may have implied a sense of being abashed, which means to feel embarrassed or ashamed. Over time, the negative connotation softened, and now, when we describe someone as bashful, it often carries a more gentle and less severe meaning. To fully grasp the use of be bashful, let's look at some examples. There's no need to be bashful. Your ideas are always welcome here. He was too bashful to ask for a second helping, even though he was still hungry. The young actress was bashful during her first interview, blushing at every compliment. Sometimes, you might want to use a different word to express the same idea. Here are a few synonyms: shy, timid, reserved, retiring, sheepish. Each of these synonyms has its own connotations, so the context will guide you as to which one is most appropriate to use. Culturally speaking, bashfulness can be perceived differently across the globe. In some cultures, being bashful is seen as a positive trait, indicating politeness and humility. In others, it might be viewed as a hindrance to personal or professional advancement. Understanding these nuances is crucial, especially for English learners who might interact with speakers from various cultural backgrounds. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, be bashful, and how it can be used in your daily English. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and cultural contexts they convey. Don't be bashful about practicing your English. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. Until our next lesson, keep learning and keep smiling.